Sawadee krap, Pattaya. Sawadee krap. Hey, what's up, YouTube? How is it going, guys? Hope you guys are doing well. And here's Charlie in Ayutthaya, presenting you guys the new journey here in the Temple of Maheyong. So I just finished one quick walk in the ancient temple site Maheyong, and that's just across the street from this site. And we are here now at the modern Maheyong temple, which is a restoration. People, they rebuilt this Maheyong site to try to make it look like the original Maheyong back to 1000 years ago. Even though I know nobody has physically or has visited the original Maheyong in person, because everything was it was just everything got damaged or got demolished, destroyed by the enemy in the 1700s when the kingdom of Ayutthaya got invaded by the enemy. And here we see the new site is covered by so much green. Good thing is the new site, no admission fee required, so we can just come here to take a quick walk. This area looks more like a wedding site or restaurant celebration thing. And by walking straight ahead, hopefully I can find the worship hall somewhere. There's a LCD or LED display, huge display in the front, introducing the new site of Maheyong something. Unfortunately, it is in Thai, so I have no clue what it is about. Good thing is there are signs here, and believe it or not, seems like we have so much to explore. Attitude of Nirvana. So there's a reclining Buddha to the left hand side. That may be something I would like to check it out. And the main Wubo So Grand Hall. That may be something interesting to explore. So let's take a walk, guys. Seems like this is a huge site. Huge. By seeing those signs everywhere, I can imagine how many it may be. There may be quite a few new buildings here to mimic the original Maheyong. Okay. It says to the right hand side we have the reclining Buddha plus the main hall. Okay, main hall. We will see. This piece is more like covered in the green, all different kinds of greens covering this area. Looks pretty cool. somehow like not many visitors or religious believers coming here. Maybe it's because, yeah, because today is the weekday, Wednesday afternoon around 3 o'clock. Here we go. And there's a teeny tiny shed to the right of the street, and there's a dog walking past. Hey, here comes the very first building here, and somehow the sign says reclining Buddha, and yeah, the Grand Hall they are to the right. I can almost see it here. I should be able to, yeah, get to the Grand Hall anytime soon. Just behind the greens, behind the trees. Okay. Seems like this place is definitely really big. Even though it's a newly built site, I can tell they are mimicking the original Maheyong to make everything look legit and true. Yeah, and to make it look authentic. Okay, to the right hand side I see a platform with Buddha statue plus uh, a high rising stone or monument something. Okay. Look at this place. Just by crossing the street or the path, I should be able to get to the main hall, the Grand Hall. So it's still under construction, but yeah. I can tell that this is big. This building is really big. Seems like it will still take you will take more time to finish. And to the right, there are like 4 dragon-like creature or snake-like creature resting here with the turtle beast And this one is a fish-like beast here, protecting the lotus. And okay, here is the big hall, and the thing is, yeah, it is magnificent. It is really big. Somehow it's still under construction. Might as well I can come back here to check it out again in 1 year or two, just to see what it looks like after completion. And that's the fake mountain or fake hill. Maybe it is a building with windows, with the mountain like exterior. Okay, and okay, check out this hall. It's big, it's really big. Okay, another Buddha statue sitting here with the golden booth or golden top building shed. And here is the miniature of this architecture building. Maybe or maybe not. Landscapers trimming the grass. Hey. My battery is dying anytime soon. I may have to do a part 2 video for the modern Maheyong temple, and might as well just go up across this teeny tiny bridge and get a closer look to the modern temple of Maheyong. Wow, this is really cool. The building is definitely one of the bigger buildings here I've ever seen in Thailand. Ooh. This is big, really big. Just see how tall this building is. Alright, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoy it. Please consider like and subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of the video updates. And I will see you guys next time. Peace.